Hello everyone, and welcome to day 7 of the 30-day game dev challenge. So we have, our beautiful hotel, which we will improve upon later. Right now we are focusing on the second genre, which was the roguelike adventure. Right now there's not that much to do there, so we will start with adding a very simple AI, I would say. Now we have an AI we can work from, namely the customer AI. The big problem here is that it only walks from, a predefined point to a predefined point instead of wandering around, patrolling, listening, seeing whether it sees the player. So that's what we need. The first thing I did was add the patrol option. Now we need a few things to make this work. First, we need to generate possible positions to walk to. Then we need to filter out any positions that we are not able to walk to. And then finally, we need to rank the positions and choose the best positions to patrol to. And that's exactly what we see here. We have a pawn here, which will be the enemy player in the end, and it will generate possible positions around it. Now we have the blue ones. Those are filtered out because we cannot access that. Then we have the green ones, and the higher the score, the greener. Now you can see we generate both in front of us, but also always around the campfire, which means we can always go back to the campfire as one of the possibilities. In this example, I score further away, higher, which means that it will try to patrol a larger area. But at some point, the campfire will be far away and it will go back to the campfire. If we look at this in game, we can see, while very slowly, the enemy player will find a way to patrol to. You can see here how it located it. So the blue ones filtered out, and then it found this nice spot pretty far away. So it will walk there, very slowly. And then when it's arriving, it will compute exactly the same again. So it will use wherever it's looking at, plus the campfire to generate positions, filter out those that are not accessible, and then it will score the ones that are farther away higher. So you can see in this case actually it's moving back to the campfire. Now we see immediately a big bug that I still need to work on, which is that if it cannot walk further because of some rock or uneven landscape, it will just stay there and it will try to find new routes, but it's not working. I'll ignore it for now because we can just either redesign the landscape and make it easier to traverse, or we add the jumping ability to a character, just like a player would be able to jump out of any situation where it's stuck. Next feature I wanted to add to the enemy is the attack state. In this state, it has seen or heard the player, and it is chasing or trying to attack this player. So we are now going to need to add a few things. It will need to be able to see a certain area, and the moment it sees the player, it needs to remember where it is and follow it. And that's exactly what we will see here. So from the start, it has seen us. What we do is we walk away. It follows us. Now we're behind the corner. It is not able to see us anymore. So it goes to the last part where we were, and then it doesn't know where we are. So it walks back. It will be back at patrolling. So we'll walk around, and now it sees us again. We can actually visualize the vision really nice. So we can see here the green lines showing where it can see. And then whenever it sees us, it will draw one of these dots. So now it sees us, so it's following us. Then whenever we are behind the wall, it will not be able to see us anymore, so it stays there. So that's how the AI currently works. It cannot attack us yet, but it knows where we are and it knows when to attack. So that's what we will add next time. We need to be able to hit the enemy, and the enemy needs to be able to hit us. See ya!